Hi guys, today we are learning how to compress storage in Google Photos. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Photos app. Make sure your account is already logged in so everything syncs properly. Now tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your account menu where backup and storage options are available. You can also see your current storage usage from this section. So let's continue to the next step. From the menu, tap on Photo Settings. This section contains all the important settings related to backup, storage, and photo quality. Here you can adjust how Google Photos stores your images and videos. So open it to continue. Now tap on the backup option. If backup is turned off, enable it so your photos and videos are safely stored in your Google account. Having a backup ensures that your files remain protected before making any storage changes. Once backup is enabled, move to the next step. Now look for the backup quality or storage saver option and tap on it. Select Storage Saver to reduce the file size of future photo and video backups. This option helps save storage space while maintaining good image quality. It is one of the easiest ways to optimize your Google Photos storage. After selecting Storage Saver, tap the Confirm or Save option if prompted. Your future uploads will now use less storage space in your Google account. This helps you keep more photos and videos without filling up your storage as quickly. Your storage settings have now been optimized successfully. And that's how you can optimize and compress storage usage in Google Photos step by step. Using the Storage Saver option is a simple way to make your Google storage last longer while keeping your memories backed up safely. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more simple and useful guides.